Hi, my name is ChristinaKYNg, and I'm reading for the role of Daffodil. Hi, my name is Daffodil, and
I'm Chamomile, and I'm here to put on a show.
We're here to put on a show. Okay, this is scene 2.
Really? You thought hitting me in the head was smart? Now look at how long it's going to take to fix all of this.
I didn't do it on purpose. And look what you did to my arm. You're not the victim.
So you're saying it wasn't you? I saw you.
I swear it was like something was pulling on my arms to hit you. I don't like you, but why would I ruin the show?